guys, Nielsen here, and today we are going to do the random snack challenge. And there's Noah.
Yeah, the Iron Snake YT, and there's Gracie B. Grace on my channel.
And I am Gracie B. Grace channel. He's the Iron Snake.
Yeah.
So he's not one. So we have the little hat here where we're gonna pick numbers out, and they're all in order, so we know.
And I'm randomizing it so you guys know it's foolproof.
Yeah.
And I'm cheating.
And none of us can cheat. We have to
Okay.
close our eyes and pick one.
So we got pretzels, the birthday cake Teddy Grahams that I don't like, and Allison doesn't
Don't
like.
tell them.
Okay. They'll see their reaction. We have these strawberry wafers.
Yep.
And then we have these like mini candies that
They're hard candies.
yeah, they're hard candies.
And
They're called
these
pearls.
are hard candies. There's blue right there. That's
They're called
blue.
pearls.
And that is pink.
Those are called pearls.
And that is sour gum.
Ah, you messed me up. Sour gum.
Sour gum, yep. And a
And
cake.
then a little cake in a bag. And then we have a sucker. And then we have chocolate Teddy Grahams.
And vanilla.
Teddy Grahams. Or wait. I
Vanilla.
called these Teddy Grahams. These are animal crackers. Then that's a, what is it?
It's a candy. A pink
It's
candy.
called Goodies, I think.
Let's just call. Let me see.
It says Oodies, what I can read.
Let's just call it Oodies. Pink Oodies. Okay, guys. Now we're just gonna start the challenge.
I think it's Cooties. Oh, God.
Let's give it a closer look.
Allison, you know you can zoom in, right?
Oh yeah. Here is pretzels
All the snacks. Oops.
and birthday cake, Teddy Grahams, and I'll show you.
Ugh.
Sorry about that. And here's the hat. So now we're gonna start the challenge.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna close
she's
my
going
eyes.
to go first.
Yeah.
You don't need to
This
really
is how
close
you
your eyes.
do it. You have to close your eyes.
First, you have to randomize it.
And then you close your eyes and pick a number.
And by the way, guys,
And
these are all in order, so whatever you number you
What?
get. Oh, she gets pretzels. Because I put them in the order of the numbers. So
and
she
now
gets.
we have to eat it.
So she gets pretzels.
So
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna
I have to
eat it.
randomize it again.
And now
What
we're
am I gonna
eat
get?
it. Some foods are good.
I got 8. 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, that's 10.
Oh wait, no, it's these.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8. So I get these chocolate animal crackers. I'm lucky I didn't get those.
Me too.
She almost got it, because look, she got a 1.
Yeah. And if I got a 2, done. Done.
We both.
And if
don't
I got
like
a
that.
3, that would be so disgusting.
Hey, you're talking about what you like and what you don't like. By the way, since I picked number 8, Allison does not like chocolate.
Yeah,
I know you guys don't like chocolate, but it's good for her. That I got a thing I liked, and she didn't. She got a thing she didn't like, and I got it.
Okay, now
Okay.
I'm going to pick. Reorganize. Six. And now I pick. Hey, it's supposed to be by you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, what is it? 5.
5 is 1, 2, 3, 4.
2,
You get the wafer thing.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh wait, really?
Yeah,
No.
see?
No.
2.
Since you already picked number 1, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yummy! Guys, I did this and I love it.
And she loves it, and I like it too. So now it's my turn to pick. So hold on, I'm gonna put the camera down. Wait, some of them fell out. We didn't pick 5. Oh wait, yeah we did.
I did.
And it's gonna be. Hold on. Camera.
Close your eyes.
I picked the one where it was like this. 2.
He doesn't want to because he doesn't like birthday cake.
Hold on, let me go and clear my mouth with this Coke. Cause
At least I didn't get it, but so's are
having
more
2
stuffy.
Teddy Grahams in a row for me are really bad.
Look,
Oh.
guys, that stuff is disgusting. This stuff and that stuff is.
Wait, you call this disgusting? And these?
No, I mean these and these. They're both disgusting. Oh, you have to try it.
I'm only gonna eat 1. No, 2.
You have to because it's 2. It's number 2.
Yeah.
And I had it.
Oh, guys.
Guys, I love pretzels. He doesn't like
Oh.
Is this a disgusting challenge?
Those are really bad. Those are really bad.
So you can't.
Soda.
Okay, it's my turn. When are you gonna-
Those are really bad.
4.
You get the hard candy that I really wanted.
No, I get the.
You don't get the sucker. Remember it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember?
Oh yeah,
Because we already picked.
hot candies. I can decide which one I want, pink or blue.
Oh wait, no, you're right. You have to get this. I remember because you reminded me.
Ew.
Okay,
Guys,
so
this is really disgusting.
this was a really
Bacon.
disgusting. Allison, hold on. Don't eat it yet. Let me get mine. Let me
I
just
have
mix
to put
it.
it right there. No, you can't. You can't eat it right now. You have to save it.
Okay. What am I gonna get?
9.
9.
9 is that.
And crackers.
No. Oh yeah.
Because we don't have 1.
Yeah,
Wait, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it would have got
No,
me
it's
animal
1
crackers.
and 2.
Plus, it would still be 9. Because it would be 1, 2,
No,
3,
it's
4,
1.
5,
No, it'll be 1, 2. And then,
3, 4, 5, 6.
No, this is 5. I mean 4.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
4.
Yeah, 4. No, that's 6. 7. Wait. 1, 2. No, let's just do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll move that closer. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, go ahead, 9.
Not fair. I really love those.
Boom, animal crackers.
Yeah, I love animal crackers, guys. Love them. I
Okay.
seriously love animal crackers. Guys, I only have 3 videos. So,
It's more than 3. You have like 4 right now, but this is gonna be the 5th, I'm pretty sure.
no, it's going to be the 4th.
Really?
Wait, no. This is going to be the 7th.
Oh.
So, you can only eat 1. Wait, no, you can't eat yet.
Yeah, you can.
You have to save it.
Then why did I eat these 2?
That's not fair. Eat first a leaf. That's in the challenge.
It's not.
Okay,
You have to eat your stuff. Like I
No.
did. Unless you're a cheater.
oh yeah. I eat these pretzels. No, can you hold?
Uh-huh.
Wait. I have to eat the sucker. Ew, I hate bacon.
It might not be bacon. Go and throw it away.
Hold this. That is so gross for the challenge. It's a popcorn or bacon sucker. That's so disgusting.
Oh God.
Ew.
She said.
Ow. That's so yucky. I do not want a bacon or popcorn sucker ever again. Oh my gosh, guys.
Now you get pretzels.
I already ate one.
Oh really?
Guys, that's just so disgusting. Now I have to take a piece of rainbow cake of the cake.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had that.
Woo!
So we only have 4 items left. We have the wafers. We have the gum. And we have that like
Look,
rock
guys.
candy. And then we have
This
whatever
is
that is.
good.
Cooties. These are my pants. They're sticking out. Because, yeah, I wanted them.
Yummy. I'm gonna put them on.
You can eat the whole thing. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, she's here!
Sorry about that, guys. Can you please still give me a thumbs up?
Yeah!
It's alright though, because if it was like this,
Oh God, we're getting chased. Hold on.
that's actually pretty good.
What?
That's actually a pretty good background while you're writing, actually.
I crud.
So your turn.
Yeah, go and pick out his son. What's it gonna be?
Not just
No, I already ate the thing. Remember? The bad telegrams? And then you ate your stuff. And I picked, and then you had to pick, remember?
what did you pick?
Because I have 3, you have 3. And remember, you went first, so you had to pick.
Okay.
So what she's gonna pick? Close your eyes.
Wait, what?
You have
Okay.
something.
What? 10.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She got the candy! Oh my god! Okay.
Sorry. I just love the candies.
Okay, I'm looking away.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the hard candy.
7. I got 7. Hold on, what is this? Oh, Allison, this is yours. You threw number 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
How
7.
do you open it?
Oh, Allison,
Guys,
look at what I got.
there's one I don't like and one I do.
There's one I don't like and one I don't like. Still left.
Let me see.
Sorry guys, I accidentally have a black.
There's 3 or 6.
Put
I
'em
hope
back
I
in.
get 6. 6 is the last one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, that's why I hope I get 6.
I
can't
want
open-
3 actually. I can't grab one.
No, you need scissors and I need scissors.
No, I don't. They're just so hard to grab. Oh, crud.
Hard candies. A tiny little.
Ah, crud, sorry. Guys, look how hard. I can't grab one. Okay.
I can't bite this.
Yeah, you can. I'll buy one.
No,
Okay.
put them now.
Just put them back in the bag.
How?
You can just pour them. You can just pour them. Pour the other one too.
Okay.
I'm holding the camera with my feet. Oh, I should actually show me eating it. Ah, God dang it.
Oh.
And then pour the other one.
Well, pink has a lot. Oh my god. Pink is a lot. Pink and blue cotton candy.
Wait, mix
Oh.
some.
I am. After I zip the bag.
Okay, let me mix them.
Let me make some sure there's good. Now shake them, mix them, shake them, mix them. Okay, my turn.
Okay, pick.
Wait. What did
It's
you
right.
get?
I
I got those.
Yeah. Okay, pick one.
Let's see what I hope I get the six.
You're probably gonna get 3 though. You have a 50-50. Remember, don't peek. You're looking. I saw you look. Put that back in.
No. I was looking and then I flipped it over.
Well, I get 3, so I get the sour gum.
Give me that. Guys, plus, I was
It looks like you cheated.
well, it was actually flipped over. So
And this
I
is
had
the
to
only
flip it.
thing I can't swallow. Do I have to eat the whole thing?
If you want,
Okay.
you have to put it in your mouth. Do you like it?
Well, I'm cooking it. This is hard to eat. It's really sour. So I give up. I give up!